Eluktronics MECH 17 G1Rx Slim and Light NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Gaming Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. This is my first big gaming laptop purchase, over $1,000. I spent my time trying to discern whether I would buy this or some other laptops, such as the original MECH 15. I would definitely recommend this laptop to whoever is considering this. Pros. Lightweight. My old laptop was 8 pounds or something. This is around 5 pounds. I'm no wimp, but the difference in weight is noticeable when you're toting it around. Professional looking. This honestly triggers me the most about most gaming laptops. Most look like they're designed by a 12-year-old. It's very hard to find one that doesn't have ugly red accents or anything else. Fast. The 8750H and the GTX 1060 pair very well. I've been able to play on my games at the 144Hz refresh rate of the monitor. Additionally, the SSD loads everything blazing fast. Mechanical keyboard. Alright, I'm on the mechanical keyboard hype train. I honestly didn't believe the claims that a mechanical keyboard can increase your WPM, but it's honestly crazy how it does. The backlight is also perky and has a decent variety of colors to choose from. Great cooling. The thermals for CPU and GPU are 39 and 37 degrees Celsius, respectively, resting. During normal gameplay, say playing Dota 2, it goes to 50 degrees Celsius. For very intensive gameplay, say Rainbow Six Siege, I've noticed that the CPU went up to 74 degrees Celsius. The GPU went max 70 degrees Celsius. It always goes down from these temperatures back to 44 after a minute. Lots of control. There comes an app pre-installed that allows you high-level control over your computer. It includes things such as turning off the Windows key, forced low-power CPU, and forced discrete GPU usage. There's a button besides the power button which turns the fan to the max level. Customer support. Everyone you speak to is a native-born English speaker and are very knowledgeable about their laptops. The support has proven both fast and helpful on the 3 times I've asked to speak with them. The webcam is fine. It's 720p and 30 fps. Could be better, but it's not an issue. Resting our on laptop at wrong position hurts. It's sharp instead of round. Battery life. I'd say it's around 2 to 3 hours regular use. I have yet to test it, but that's my best estimate from using it unplugged. Laptop itself is light. It comes with a power brick about as thick as it and is 1.5x as long as the touchpad. SSD installation. I'm talking about a 2.51 myself. It was a pain to install. They do give you a mounting kit and it fits tightly in there. It's still been one of the more harder SSDs I've had to install because some wires got in the way. Cons. Temperature. So this isn't a con of the laptop itself but rather one of laptops like it. If you buy a thin laptop, you have to accept that it's gonna be a lot more noticeable when it's hot. It doesn't get hot on the keyboard. Rather, it gets hot on the bar above it. It doesn't bother me, but it may bother you. Not burn your finger hot, but rather I can feel the heat hot. On the bright side, because of its size and great fans, it gets cool really fast after a minute or so. Fan. Again, this is a problem of size rather than one of the laptop itself. Because it's smaller, there's a lot less to dampen the fan sounds. You won't hear it when you're in normal everyday use, but if you start playing games you'll hear it. It isn't bad as fans go unless you're playing some intensive video game like R6s. I have headphones on, so during gaming I can't hear anything. People around you without headphones will definitely hear it. It doesn't get picked up on your mic or anything, so there's so good news. Mechanical keyboard. Yeah, if you want a quiet keyboard this isn't for you. This is decently quiet for a mechanical keyboard, and I'm pretty sure if you added some insert attachments it wouldn't be that bad. But I know some people do get annoyed by the sound of a loud keyboard, so there you go. The first 2 cons are a problem of all gaming laptop at this size. They don't bother me as I don't play games with my laptop without headphones, earbuds anyways, and I don't reach of the laptop of my laptop much. Overall, if the first 2 points bother you but the last does not, then I say get the MECH 15. If all bother you, then look for another choice. Tip: at the time of my purchase, Eluktronics and Intel have a deal where you get the Intel's Premium Creativity Bundle, VR Ready Bundle. Look on Eluktronics website for more detail. Speaking of their websites, it's usually cheaper to get their laptops on their websites. The MECH 15 G2 with these specs is an exception. If you have any questions, fire away. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.